What's up, party people? New episode, Pasty-T Garage coming at you. Today, we're working on the 1993 Nissan Skyline sedan. And what we're going to be doing is replacing the seatbelt button. I don't know if that's the official term for Nissan, but that is the term from the kit that I got. And basically what it is, you can see right here, that is where the old button would have been, but it fell off and it's lost. And what this does is when you get in and out of the car, you know, your seatbelt is needing to be pulled down to fasten. And as you can see, it's supposed to stop right around there, and mine doesn't. So when I'm getting out of the car, it just falls and it goes all the way down, and I have to fish it out from next to the seat, and it's just kind of annoying. So today we're going to be replacing that, and what we have is this kit bought from Amazon. It's a 5-axis seat belt stopper button, black. What it comes with, I'm going to go ahead and dump out the goodies. It comes with this little punch. What this does is it will allow you to puncture through the seat belt with a small enough tip so that you can install these pieces. As you can see, some have the little button that goes through and some have the receiver. And what I've seen, and I checked another car on this, is the part where you can see the button go through is on the same side as the little tongue of the seatbelt. So that's how we're going to be installing on this one. And I think what it is once you have the seatbelt buckled in, then you can't see that button. So that's how we're going to install it today. So hope you all enjoy this video. Should be super short. It's not a very hard install, but it's something that I've been meaning to do for a while. I've had these parts for a little while, and I'm embarrassed to say I haven't put it on because I guess it hasn't bothered me that much, but it bothered me enough today, so we're going to do it. So stay tuned. Alright everybody, so we're going to go ahead and install this. One thing that they didn't say you needed, and this is just something I feel like might be helpful, is a little chip clip, a clothesline pin, whatever you want to call it. And the only reason I say this is helpful is so that you can attach that to your seat belt, and now your buckle won't be fighting you trying to not fall down the entire time. So because mine had a threaded part, we're going to go ahead and pull out these pieces of thread that were in there. Because what we're going to want to do is take this, you take the little safety cap off. So you can see it's got a kind of a sharp little pick point. And we're going to find the middle, and we're just going to pierce right through the middle. As you see, that didn't take very much effort. So now that that is through the middle, we're going to get our tab that's got the little push point. Hope this is visible. And we're going to stick it to where it goes out this way to follow the buckle. So I'm going to pull that out. Push that through. Might need to fight a little bit. Trying to fight through the weave of the belt itself. Almost there. So all I'm doing, if this is really hard to see, is I'm using the tip of this pick to just walk the weave of the belt around the little tongue of the piece. So now you can see the piece is all the way through. So we're going to set that down. We're going to grab the button part, leave that there. So now we grab the part that has the hole through, and we're just going to line it up with the part that's been pushed through and pressed together. Now, it went on kind of easily. I'm gonna go ahead and give it some extra effort because I want to make sure that that doesn't fall apart. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. So now the only thing we need to do is take our clip off. You can see, it won't fall off now. Put the clip back on. As you can see, it almost looks factory. And in fact, newer Nissans look exactly like this. So if you have a newer Nissan and your button fell off for whatever reason, go ahead and buy this kit, install it. You can see it didn't take that long, really easy. You might have to do a little bit of working the seatbelt fabric around the button itself, but all in all, that's it. Super easy video, quick repair today on the 93 Skyline, something that I've been meaning to do for a long time. Obviously this didn't take me but 5 minutes to install, so should have done this a lot sooner. But yeah, so that's going to keep your seatbelt buckle from falling down next to the seat whenever you get out of the car and you detach the seatbelt. So thanks everybody for joining me. Drop a comment below if you like videos like this that are really easy repairs, super cheap to buy off Amazon, or if you want to see a lot more robust content, which is coming up. Let's give you a little preview. But yeah, so thanks everybody for joining me, and if you're new to this channel, please hit that sub button if you want to continue this journey together as we work on these cars. If you are already subscribed, thank you so much. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video and drop a comment below. Thanks everybody, see you in the next video.